Auntie Tony, I gotta say something.
What?
Fine dining restaurant, di ba?
You go practice that. What does it says also again?
Fine dining restaurant, di ba?
After that.
Oh. That's about something she flat high. Some shit, that's too fast. What the did she say? That's too hard. That's about something what's high. Not sorry. Fine dining restaurant, di ba? Sari.
Sorry, and then what else?
Oh. Ito may nauno man. Una sa restaurant. Binas naman na Virginia, Dak Yappy. Puta, ano? Sa mano mo mera? No, restaurant. Usa man ang son.
Do that.
What?
Tama? Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Tama?
That's man sa fine dining restaurant, di ba?
Tama?
Tama.
Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Tama?
Tanasan fine.
Tayo ay nasa
fine dining.
dining restaurant. Tama?
Tayo is a fine, nada sa besima. Di ba?
Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant.
Tayo is not a fine dining
No! Tayo ay nasa
Tayo and nasa.
fine dining restaurant.
Tayo and nasa is fine dining restaurant, di ba?
That's it.
Tayo is na a fine dining restaurant, di ba?
No, maybe daddy. But that's fine. You're learning.
Tayo nasa fine dining restaurant, di ba?
Did you understand that?
This is a fine dining restaurant.
Yeah. We are in a fine dining restaurant, right?
Tayo nasa fine dining restaurant, di ba?
And she's mad at that time
What?
because Ate Mikmik showed inappropriate tone of voice and gesture.
What?
And someone is there, Doc Yapi and Miss Vina. And then Ate Mikmik said, she does that as if we are just at home, but we are in a fine dining restaurant. So Ate Tony said that we shouldn't be doing that, and if you have a squatter or slums attitude, you should leave it at home because we are in a fine dining restaurant. Now you get it?
Yes, po.
So is Ate Tony right there? Ate Mikmik acted that way. And I think she's wearing a very, very sexy and glamorous look, but she did this. She did that.
Kulo.
She did that, baby daddy.
Kulo. Tio nasa, we are at a fine dining restaurant, di ba?